Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Talent Integration, where we help you choose a right software for your business. It will help you to organize, optimize, and grow your business in multifolds. Today, we will cover how to choose the right CRM product for your business need. But before we do that, why don't you like, subscribe, share our YouTube channel, and help us grow, help us be motivated, and get acknowledged for the work we do. And trust me, as a return, we'll come back with better, great content for you. So until you do that, let me share my screen and talk about today's topic. So those who are new to our channel, let me take 2 minutes to talk about target integration. But if you've been to our channel previously, please feel free to go furthermore to the straight topic. Otherwise, I'll take 2 minutes to talk about who target integration is. So we are established in 2008 with the leading digital transformation company in US, UK, Ireland, and parts of Asia, where our mission is to empower curious business owners and managers looking to grow their business by providing them business insight, which can help them to make better, clearer, more concise business decisions. We do this with our 8 offices across the world, where we have done almost 6,000 projects through 4,000 plus customers with the help of our 90 plus consultants. We currently have 25 products on our portfolio, which includes Udo, HubSpot, Monday, G Suite, Zendesk, Pipedrive, vTiger, Salesforce, and many other tools, depending upon what our customers want. And we are happy to use them to help our customers automate their entire business operations. This is a snapshot of top management that we got. But let's talk about our primary topic of the day, which is how to choose the best CRM. Now, the key features while choosing a CRM that should come in your mind is contact and lead management. Your CRM should and must have a lead management tool or a contact management tool, which can be there and help you use the entire sales journey. It should also come with its automations. So for example, if you get a lead from website or social media, it should be able to send them a welcome email with a calendar link for them to book your slot, or probably tell them that, hey, we registered your lead, somebody will be coming back to you shortly. These kind of automations bring the engagement level high with the customer and make you be very receptive in front of your customers. Make sure it has marketing automations where you can have all the different bulk emailing tools, drip campaign tools can be run from the same CRM, and you don't have to go to a third party tool. Make sure it has a ticketing system, and the far and the biggest, more important part is customization. If your CRM is not flexible enough, where you can customize the fields, customize modules, or in certain CRM, they are called as objects. If you cannot create these objects or modules or remove fields or add fields or have different roles and profiles, then the CRM would not be a scalable CRM for you, or sooner or later you have to move out of it. So better look for a future and have such CRM which are customizable for you. And then the most important part, that's the reason somebody buys a CRM, and you would see the same thing in our mission, is analytics. So if your CRM is not flexible enough to give you amazing analytics on the go, you don't have to go and write code every time, it's not the CRM that you should look at. Then look for a CRM which is customizable, which has a lot of analytics, have by default customer support and marketing automation, and have amazing flexibility for you. Our CRM also involve different kind of CRMs. There are cloud-based CRMs, on-premise CRMs, and mobile CRMs. Cloud-based CRMs are usually SaaS-based CRMs, which would cover tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and on-premise CRM can be tools which work on your servers. And there are some CRMs which only operatable from mobile. So depending upon what kind of business you run, you can choose either of the CRMs. Most of the CRMs I would recommend to be cloud-based because that's new in technology, plus you get free upgrades. So my recommendation would always be to choose a cloud-based CRM instead of on-prem or a mobile-based CRMs. The most important part is not just buying the CRM, but adopting a CRM into the organization. And you would realize the difficult part is not just buying, paying for the money, but having it user friendly for your employees. Now, your employees could be of different age, different gender, different experience level. CRM should be supportive enough that it get adopted, used quickly by all different kind of employees you got. It should have partner driven or a product company driven training and support ecosystem, because buying CRM, customizing CRM, that can easily happen. But if you do not learn or have a support to use the CRM, it won't work. And then you have to come up with your own adaptation technique within the company. This could be through giving motivation of incentives or negative reinforcement, or probably making sure that the top management use the CRM. One key factor that we always talk about CRM adaptation, I mean, in the CRM adaptation technique, is make sure the top management or managers do use CRM, because it is always top to bottom approach in using a CRM. And if they are not using the CRM, trust me, the team would not use the CRM. So make sure the top management uses the CRM, and then, of course, team will follow. Now, CRMs usually is just not just one tool that you would use in the business. You would always use multiple tools. Your job should also include to have a system which integrates and speak with other technologies. So make sure it has API integration available. And those APIs can be used to integrate with your ERP system or email or calendars, be it a 365 or a Gmail route, or it has a marketing automation integration where it can get integrated with MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or any other marketing tool that you use, or make sure your CRM has a good enough marketing tool for you. Plus, do look for the CRM to have integrations available on tools like Zapier, Make.com, because these talk about their credibility as integrating tools. So Zapier and Make.com will be a crucial tools or a good way for you to check if the tool really is integratable with third-party applications. And via having a tool on these platforms, your access to multiple integration opens up pretty quick. Otherwise, a API document from them is good enough for you to know whether it's integratable or not. Customizability and customization and scalability, that's the important part. If you buy a CRM in 2024, I'm sure you would grow in 25, 26, 27, and not every year you would like to change your CRM. So you would want the CRM to run for at least 3 years, if not 5. In such case, you have to figure out whether when you are implementing the CRM or choosing a CRM, is that the 100% that CRM can deliver, or is just the 10%, 20%? And do not buy a CRM which is stretching itself to deliver your current needs, because that means the scalability is way too less. Look for a CRM which is still tip of the iceberg when you are implementing the CRM, which means there's a huge potential left for you to utilize in future for you. Make sure it has all the customizations. You should be able to change from a smallest logo of the CRM to the bigger modules, bigger automations. That really showcase how deep the product has been built and whether this product can be implemented and can be scaled enough or not. Cost consideration. Now, most of the people sometime while choosing a CRM, and I've seen this uh, suicidal decisions, I would say, that people end up making, that they would choose a CRM, but they would not look at future costs. Now, when you're buying a CRM, not just look at the cost for today, but look at the cost for future. So if you think today you have 10 employees and you can afford a CRM, which is $100 per user per month, but then look, if tomorrow you'll become 30 employees or 50 employees, will this still be a cost-effective solution for you or not? And then invest in a CRM which has these benefits for you. So, few things that you need to consider while selecting a CRM in the cost segment. One is their initial setup cost, whether the CRM gets set up by people like us or it gets set up by people from the product company. Initial setup costs, which usually is one time, is good one to look at. Subscription model. Now, some people end up selecting a CRM which has a one-time fee. Trust me, it may look good in the beginning, but it won't be because you would not have upgrades, you would not have a lot of integration support, you have to use your own server. So my request suggestion would be until you don't have a very unique use case, look for a subscription model. It'll be safe option to always go for. And there are always hidden costs, such as cost of APIs, cost of integrating with third-party tools. Make sure whenever you are buying the CRM, you do talk about these things with your CRM company or people like us. You should also look at ROI. If you have a small business but buying a most expensive CRM, which will give you less money, the ROI could not be achieved very quickly. So make sure your CRM is proportional to your revenue and you are able to get your ROI ASAP. Also, depending upon what kind of industry you belong, every industry has their own compliances, such as HIPAA compliance, such as compliance towards data being saved in Europe or GDPR or other things. So make sure your CRM is fulfilling compliances. If not, there can be a huge penalties by the government officials of your country. Data protection. Now, mostly CRMs are safe if you're buying top-notch CRMs of the market. If not, be cautious because CRM can leak your data as well. So you have to be cautious about selecting a CRM, making sure the data that you feed in is absolutely safe and it's not going to go in the wrong hands. Which also lead to a next point while selecting a CRM is vendor support and its reputation. Now, do look for different people to come and speak about references of the product that you choose. Uh, do consider their support segment. Do look at their partner level. If they do not have their own call center, which means if you are not happy with the partner support or you're not happy with the product, you have to just send an email, wait for 48 hours to get a response. That's not a quick way to use a CRM. They must have a support center which can respond you ASAP. If not, at least they should have a partner network. I would rather say having a partner network is far more important than the internal support team because partner can be locally available, can speak the local language, would be available in same time zone and can help you faster than the product company. So before buying a CRM, do look at the entire support side of the things as well. Also look at different resources, blogs, testimonials, videos. Do you have different things to support the product? And is it all easily accessible or not? That will also help you choose the right CRM product. Top CRM that we think to consider is HubSpot, Salesforce, Rhino, Microsoft Dynamics, and Pipedrive. But be sure the answer will get changed depending upon what industry, what country you belong to. These are just a basic what we could figure out. However, we are happy to set up a free consulting call where we can hear your requirements and recommend you right CRM personalized for you. So step to choose the best CRM in our case would be define your requirements well. Make sure you're not going by what somebody else said, but you sit down on piece of paper, write your requirements and decide which CRM would suit you the best and then go ahead and look for demos of those products. Make sure you do not just incline towards one product, have multiple product demos and then shortlist bunch of CRMs. Ask them to give you a demo. Learn not just what they show, but the things which is between the lines. Ask them to customize the product. Ask them to play around the product. Do the integration. Show you some feedbacks, and learn the team that they got, and then make an informed decision. If this presentation has helped enough, great. But if you still have more questions around how to choose the right CRM, use the QR code on your screen, set up a calendar, and we'll be happy to come and help you about finding a right CRM for you. If not, you have our phone numbers on your right, our website, and our email ID. We'll look forward to talking to you and help you find a right CRM product. Until then, take care.